Let's get myself ready.
Hit it.
So essentially, from this top, from the beginning, what happened was one of the injectors failed and blew the motor. Cylinder 5 it was on 20 psi. Cody was tuning it with me, and we got up to 20 psi. Number 5 injector failed, leaned out, detonated, dead hole. So we're gonna pull the motor out, rebuild the motor, and while we rebuild the motor, I'm gonna do some exhaust work. I want to redo my intercooler pipes with stainless. That's why I bought all the stainless and then cut these pie cuts out. So I'm gonna do
this faggot.
My car's just not fast enough, dude. I need 430 would be enough. I'm serious, dude. It's not
trying to get
fast enough.
Your turbo?
No, he said he can get the 570 wheel on the 85.
Go get the 85.
Dude, I need some top speed conversion though.
I'm trying to get 500 out of this.
The side speeds are hella bad.
Yeah. Do you see my injectors?
It barely idles, my car. It doesn't like to idle. Did you get a new one finally?
You didn't see my picture? Come here.
Dude, I was talking to Corey, dude. He's like, Daniel text me. He's like, I want forged pistons. I want all this. I was like, it's about time. Oh, yeah. RC engineering.
I talked to Corey about it, and he was like, damn, dude, I can't believe you bought RCs. He's like, those are fucking shitty. La, da, 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 da.
Really?
They're not shitty.
No, they're good.
They're really good. It's just apparently RCs get dirty easier because they don't have the screen in them.
Yeah.
1000 cc, and this is the flow bench test.
So are mine. I bought 850s. If you put them at 4.0 bar, it goes up to like 960 cc's.
They're PL4-1000.
Do they do a flow test on them?
Yeah, that's
yeah.
right
Well,
here.
I'm at what bar level? So
43
4,
psi.
right? Oh, mine will go up to 60.
Well, I know this tells
I'm sure
me
they can, right?
these go up to 100 psi.
Oh, okay, that's what I thought.
This is the latency test page.
Yeah.
Where it says at what voltage, at what fuel pressure your latency is for the injector.
Mm-hmm.
But that says it goes up to 100 fucking psi.
Yeah.
But yeah, I'm gonna start like getting ready to pull the motor, and I want to show you what I'm gonna do with the turbo and downpipe and stuff, and then we'll test with the injectors, and then pull the motor out, disassemble it, etc. I need some light so I can show them the turbo. The turboski.
And your water bottle modification?
Don't worry about my water bottle.
Dude, I was gonna say something about that.
Oh, God. Can you see?
Is there oil in there?
Yeah, well, it's hella dirty from the motor being blown up right there. It blows it out the...
Really RTV your intake manifold? Damn.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I always do. Oh, shit. What's that right there?
It's a piece of melt.
Is that metal?
Yep.
Oh, that's metal?
Yeah.
There's some right
Shaved
here.
off.
From what?
Hey, there's some right here too.
Whoa!
It was right
Dude,
in
it
here.
was like my Subaru when it blew up. I think we fucked your shit, dude.
What the fuck was it? I wonder what that's
So,
from.
do
I
you
wonder
need to
if
vlog
that's
in the backyard now?
I
Dude,
wonder
where
if
did that
that's...
sucked in. No, when my motor blew up, remember when I broke my rod? There was chunks of my piston in the intake manifold.
I've
There's
never
chunks this
seen
big.
that before.
I found one this big in mine, dude. That's huge.
I blew it up fucking good.
Oh, dude.
What?
Fuck, there's a lot of metal built up on your valve.
That's
like on the
fucking
top
delicious.
of it.
Let me see.
Dude, my chunk was this big.
No
dude.
way.
Dude, there's like a good chunk on top.
Damn, you
Well, good
fucked
thing
your
we're
ass,
pulling-
dude. Maybe I shouldn't tune cars anymore.
Here, watch out real quick.
No, I don't see what you're seeing. I think you see the reflection.
I think you see a valve.
I think you see carbon. I think what we found was bits of gasket from the intake manifold. Honestly,
It had metal in it though.
I know.
It's like
it's a MLS intake gasket.
Look up
See?
top because it looks like metal. I can't tell.
Put it in there.
I promise you, it's fine.
Oh, no, you're good. There's nothing in there.
But yeah,
See?
I need more
It's
light.
on top. Look at the top.
No, that's nothing, dude.
Right there where I have my finger.
Watch out.
Try and get as
It's
much
good. It's good. That's normal.
as much light as possible.
Damn,
Ooh, look at that oil on your turbo, dude.
I know.
Yeah, it's from the. I don't have a cap on the crankcase vent right
I guess
there.
we'll find out when we take it apart.
So it's super oily.
what happened, huh?
Well, what happened was number 5 cylinder leaned out like a son of a bitch. All right, but I'm gonna pull the turbo off.
Do you want me to do it?
I'm gonna pull the turbo off, and I want to set the intake manifold back on. Actually,
It's a pain in the ass. The bolt seize up because they get
Yeah.
hot, cold, hot, cold,
Oh,
hot, cold,
yeah.
hot, cold, hot, cold, hot, cold.
yeah. So that is the plan: is get rid of the turbo from down there, run a pipe around the back of the block with header wrap. we're trying to get the lights working, and they suck. And mount the
Just like
turbo
this
on this
motor.
side. Yeah, this motor sucks. Mount the turbo on this side. It's kind of where it needs to be. The rear housing needs to be clocked more, and I gotta change the wastegate setup now. But it's got quite a bit of space between the master. I can build a heat shield. It should be fine. Purely aesthetics. There's no other reason to be doing this, but I think it'll look fine. I think it'll look awesome because I love this motor. This motor works really good.
Yeah, after the 10th time.
Yeah, if it doesn't blow up, it runs really fucking good.
No, it actually does. Dude, this thing pulls pretty good.
So now I just want to make it beautiful. I'm going to pull the engine bay, everything out, and shave the engine bay, finish the wire tuck, and
Dyno tunes this time.
dyno tunes. 500 horsepower gang. Gang.
Hello there.
Alright, we got the motor pulled. It was a bitch. Not really. It was dirty. Dude, there's that Honda kid. Fucking pop the garage. I swear that's him.
Pop cherry.
Yeah. Motor. SR20 transmission.
I don't know. Might not be him.
Oh, that's Tom.
Oh, that's Tommy. Tommy the train.
That's Krista.
Hey, Thomas the train.
Yeah, Krista just showed up.
Hello, cute Cloudy.
Hey. So, this motor, rusty ass piece of shit. I'm gonna use that motor and one of these heads over here. It's like a mock-up engine for doing the turbo and shit. And I'm gonna throw it in. And then we're gonna put that motor on that engine stand, and we're gonna put it over in that corner.
Then we're gonna put the boxer in here.
And we're gonna put the boxer in the garbage because it only makes 500.